Have you ever found yourself pondering on how to make money? It's a question that's crossed nearly every mind at one point or another. But it's not just about wanting more money, it's about understanding the mechanics behind it, the system that drives the flow of wealth. In this digital age, the ways to earn are as diverse as they are abundant. Yet the path to financial success is often obscured by misconceptions and misinformation. That's where we come in. This video will serve as your guide, shedding light on the often mystifying topic of money making. We'll delve into the basics, explore various ways to provide value, and ultimately show you how to turn that value into tangible, spendable cash. Whether you're an entrepreneur starting from scratch or someone looking to supplement their income, there's something in here for you. If you're ready to unlock the secret of making money, stay tuned. First things first, understand that making money begins with a simple principle. It's a principle as old as time, yet it remains as relevant today as it was centuries ago. Making money is all about providing value. Yes, you heard it right, value. Let's break it down a bit. Value is something that people are willing to pay for. It could be a product that solves a problem, a service that makes life easier, or even your time, which is perhaps the most valuable asset you possess. Think of it this way. When you go to a restaurant, you're not just paying for the food, you're paying for the time, effort, and skill it took to prepare that meal. The same concept applies to virtually every transaction in our economy. It's a simple equation, really. The more value you provide, the more money you can make. So, the key to making money is to find ways to increase the value you bring to the table. The more value you provide, the more money you can make. Now you may wonder, how can I provide value? Well, there are countless ways to do so. One of the most straightforward methods is through your skills. Are you an exceptional writer, a whiz at coding, or a guru in graphic design? These skills are valuable and people are willing to pay for them. Another way to provide value is through your knowledge. If you're an expert in a certain field, share that expertise. You can offer consultations, write ebooks, or host webinars. Your knowledge is your power, and it's time to leverage it. Solving problems is another means of providing value. This can be as simple as offering a solution to a common issue, or as complex as inventing a new product. The world is full of problems waiting to be solved, and problem solvers are always in demand. But remember, the key to remaining valuable is continuous learning and adaptation. As the world evolves, so should you. Remember, your ability to provide value is directly proportional to your earning potential. So, you're providing value, but how does this translate into money? Well, it's all about monetizing that value. Think of it like this. You've got a basket of apples. Those apples are your value. Now you need to find someone who wants to buy those apples. That's where the money comes in. There are many ways to monetize value. One of the most straightforward ways is by selling a product or a service. You've got something that people want or need, and they're willing to pay for it. But it doesn't stop there. You can also invest in things that will grow in value over time, like stocks, real estate, or even your own education and skills. Another option? Creating passive income streams. This could be anything from renting out a property to earning royalties from a book or a song, to creating a successful blog or YouTube channel. The key is to find a method that suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. In a nutshell, making money isn't as complicated as it seems. It all boils down to understanding the basic principles and applying them diligently. We've journeyed through the steps, from the core concept of money making, which is rooted in providing something of value, to the various ways you can offer that value to others. We discussed the significance of continuous learning and how being open to new knowledge and skills can exponentially increase your ability to provide value. We also dove into the crucial aspect of finding the right method to monetize that value. It's not enough to just provide value. You have to know how to turn it into a revenue stream. The process might seem daunting at first, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started from somewhere. It's about taking that first step, then the next, and the next. So, go out there, provide value, and let the money follow. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step.